Slide 1 from the Genially presentation. 1. Ask different students to describe the pictures. 2. Tell them they're going to listen to a song. Their task is to choose one of the pictures to represent it. After playing the song once, ask students to write L left, M middle, or R right in the chat box to indicate which picture they chose. Ask random students to explain their choices. Slide 2. Show the table with the word definitions. Tell students they are going to listen to the song again, but now they have to identify words in the song. Ask students to read the definitions. Have them take a print of the screen to use as they listen to the song. Tell them to write their answers on a sheet of paper. Play the song twice. "5 minutes, in pairs, breakout rooms, students compare their answers." "5 minutes, have students read the words and definitions for the correction." Interactive worksheet. Share the link to the interactive worksheet in the chat box. Tell students to listen and click the extra words in the song. Students say how they imagine the music video is like. Ask students who know not to say it, play the video for them to check their guesses. Have some students comment on the video to close the activity.
Watch these videos for more awesome activities. Subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos to help other teachers. Visit songactivityfactory.com. Thank you very much for watching.